Recently, one of my patients asked me whether palm oil is good for human health since it does not contain cholesterol. I would like to make 2 points clearer here. Firstly, humans need cholesterol to survive. Cholesterol is not bad for the body. In fact, human body cannot survive without cholesterol as it is required for the formation of the cells, tissues and hormones. But having excess cholesterol or very low cholesterol in the blood is bad for the health. Secondly, none of the plant-based oils have cholesterol in them, whether palm oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, soybean oil, canola oil, etc. But they have something called triglycerides, which contain fatty acids. These fatty acids can be monounsaturated fatty acids, also known as MUFA, polyunsaturated fatty acids, also known as PUFA, or saturated fatty acids. Consuming good amount of MUFA along with regular exercise can keep LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol, within limits in the blood and also increase HDL, the so-called good cholesterol. PUFA can reduce LDL in the blood, while some types of saturated fats like palmitic acid can raise the LDL levels. Some other saturated fats like lauric acid found in coconut oil can in fact increase the good HDL in the blood. So though cholesterol is not present in any plant-based oil, the amount of MUFA and PUFA along with the type of saturated fat in that particular oil can alter the levels of LDL and HDL in the blood. And finally, high intake of refined products like table sugar has been shown to worsen the blood cholesterol levels than intake of saturated fat.